A present for you.
Shayna, Joe's got a present. Okay, it's recording.
I got a present. Ooh. SpongeBob.
That's for Shayna. You want to open it?
Here, let me help you. Here you go. Lexi, beat it. Lexi, beat it.
Lexi! She's so annoying. Ooh.
Ooh, look at all this stuff, Shayna. Look at the teddy bear. Ooh.
Aww. Shayna just whacked like people that was something. Like, Shayna, stop!
Look at SpongeBob. Oh, SpongeBob. Look at this one, Shayna. Look at SpongeBob again.
Ooh. It's all Shayna. Shayna.
Here's SpongeBob again.
Oh. She's like, how am I supposed to hold all this? Hey, not done yet. Look at it. There's more.
Look at. You got a bunch of candy.
Krabby Patties. Mmm.
Yeah.